Want to seamlessly transport yourself, or any subject, into a brand new scene? Let's dive into removing backgrounds in Alight Motion. First, open Alight Motion and tap the plus icon at the bottom to start a new project. Select your desired aspect ratio and resolution. Then, tap Create Project. Next, import both your subject video or image and the background you want to use. Make sure the subject layer is above the background layer in your timeline. Select the subject layer, then go to Effects and tap Add Effect. Search for Matte key. Adjust the threshold slider. This determines which colors get removed. Slide it until the background of your subject disappears as much as possible. Fine-tune the cutout by adjusting the feather slider. A little feathering will smooth the edges and make the transition look more natural. You can also adjust the opacity if needed. Lowering the opacity slightly can help blend the subject with the new background. And that's it. Now you have a transparent subject that blends with a different background. Experiment with different backgrounds and effects to create amazing visuals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Alight Motion tutorials.